Okay, so with the '07 GSXR 600, as well, not all of you know, but all of you Suzuki owners know, you have to pull in your clutch to start it. So for my easy pull, I'm gonna hold off. I'm gonna contact RSC and see if they got some type of different perch made for this bike specifically, because when that button is out, that means the clutch is pressed in. So if it's not attached to anything there, your clutch will never, it will always be disengaged. So yeah, I need to find out how that goes. But with the Vortex replacement brake lever, very simple. You know, just bolt it off, take off your peg, get your pin back in. Other than that, pretty simple. My first suggestion is always do your bottom bolt here first, because this lever can get in the way of that bolt. So that's how I do it. I press down and bolt it in. I was hoping to get that easy pull clutch on there today, but I was also hoping to ride tonight. So that being said, I'm just going to contact them and see if maybe they have some type of different type of perch that can connect to and let the sensor know when the clutch is pulled and disengaged. So that being said, well, at least I got half of the job done today, and at least I have rear brakes again. So that's definitely a plus. My clutch still works, so the only broken part was fixed. Stay tuned. Try to break it down as easy as I can for you guys, to let you know how easy it can be to do these fixes, that if you took to the dealership, they're going to charge you $200 or $300 for that. And honestly, you will knock that out within the hour. You will be done, and that's with, you know, issues, or maybe take a little break or whatever, you know. So just, you know, not every single type of maintenance that gets done on your bike needs to be done at the dealership. That being said, there are many videos on how to fix various parts and various issues. So you know, once again, White Boy Wheelie, subscribe if you haven't, give the video a like. I'm gonna try to post some my last track day. I'm gonna try to post some video from that, so be looking forward for that. Other than that, deuces. I'll let y'all know on the RSC clutch as soon as I find out. You know, we'll go ahead with the install and post the video. Alright, deuces.